Okay, so this video I'm making right now is for anyone who is just starting to figure out ways to make money online. So you don't need to keep watching tons of YouTube videos or trying things that will not work. I'm going to spell it out for you and tell you what is actually working in 2026. So you don't waste your time on things that will not help you make money. So the first one is freelancing. That means you have a skill that you are ready to exchange in terms of service and get money in return. That way you can register on platforms online to start looking for clients and getting one. Number two is content creation. This one is one where if you're ready, you have the patience to build from ground up, then you can make money that way. The third way is by doing micro tasks online, by things like taking surveys or doing AI training jobs and stuff like that. The fourth one is by getting involved with forex trading. Then the fifth one is things like doing online businesses, like maybe things like drop shipping, but it's tasking. There is also affiliate marketing. This is where you're going to be promoting other people's businesses and make money off of it. So but whichever one you choose, for the purpose of this video, let's talk about skill, because this is where you need to exchange your skill in terms of service and get money in return. And I must tell you, this is one of the most realistic way you can make money online. And if you're a total beginner, you're ready to learn something fast, you can start with things like virtual assistant. Now for those that don't know, this is basically where you are assisting somebody virtually from the comfort of your home. It means you're not going to be physically present with the person. You're going to be doing things like making bookings for the person, writing emails, organizing emails, and any other thing that has to do with running errands for anybody that you'll be working for, and they're going to be paying you for that. And if you want to learn the skill, there are a lot of free videos on YouTube where you're going to learn the skill to get started. And the best part is right now you have AI tools, and you guys, when it comes to recruiting, people are no longer recruiting for you to come and work for them. They're recruiting for you to save them resources and time, because right now they know that you can do 3 hours worth of work in 15 minutes using AI. So as you're learning virtual assistant, learn how to use AI in doing the work faster and more efficient. That is what will get you hired. It's not even you learning how to type email and other stuff. Those are necessary, but you have to learn how to use AI in terms of prompting AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT to help you draft any documents you need, or to put you through on how to get things done. Second one is content creation. This is the simplest and the easiest anyone can start off, but you need patience to start seeing results. All you have to do is just to set your camera and talk about anything that matters to you, or anything you enjoy talking you can do for a long time. Or if you have value, if you have any story to share, anything at all, but make sure that whatever content you're creating is either entertaining people or educating people or solving problems for people, anything at all. So you can't just put on your camera to say things that are random. Whatever you're saying must give some form of value to whoever your target audience is. So this one is the easiest but the most difficult, and it is the highest when it comes to payment, because if you grow large following, there are numerous ways you can earn money. You can earn money by being an influencer, you can earn money through monetization of your platforms, you can earn money by selling products and stuff like that. So that is another thing you can do as a beginner. And the third thing you can do is create and sell digital products. I forgot to mention it earlier. This is another lucrative way to make money, but it is quite tricky, I'm going to be honest with you, because most times people don't really know how to go about this. One is you have to spot a problem, and once you spotted the problem, you know the audience that these problems are peculiar to, that are going to buy for them to get these problems solved. And once you have done that, you can create this digital product and sell it to them. And this requires you to also market. There are some platforms that already have people that can buy from you, places like Gumroad or Etsy. But in some cases, for your product to be in the faces of people that will buy from you, you have to put in some money in terms of investment to run ads for people to get to know your digital product and how it's going to solve their problems for them. So the potential to make money with this one is quite high, but you have to put in the work just like every other one. And unlike the content creation, you can easily make some money faster with this compared to content creation. And to get started, there are lots of videos on YouTube that will teach you how to actually do this to get started. So you might want to check it out. Now, the next one you might want to consider is freelance writing. Now this is another easy thing anyone can do as long as you can read and write. But the problem with this is there are lots of AI tools that have diminished the rate at which people are demanding for people to do these jobs. But there are specific writings that will still need people to come on board to do. So you can do things like content writing, there's technical writing, and there are other forms of writings that you can actually do. And the best part is, if you understand these writings, you will know how to prompt AI tools to help you do the writing. You don't even need to do the writing yourself. So if you're interested, you can go online, especially on YouTube, and search for writing courses. There are a lot of free writing courses that you can do, and you can start by showing people how you can do this writing and applying to job boards where you can find writing jobs, places like LinkedIn. You can list it as a service. There are a lot of people looking for writers on LinkedIn, and these are the places where you can find founders, or platforms like Well Found, where you can find founders and you can apply to these jobs to get started as a beginner. So that is another way you can make money. Well, then the next one is affiliate marketing. Anyone can start affiliate marketing as a beginner, and this one you just have to get a product, and you have to have a target audience that trusts you, that believe that whatever you're bringing to them is something that will be of value to them, and then they are happy to buy from you, and in the end you're earning some percentage as commission from this. So there are a lot of ways people are doing it. You can still go on YouTube. There are different types of marketing that people are doing, but I would advise whoever that is going into this to have an audience already waiting for you, so it will make the work less stressful for you to be able to get people to buy. And of course, you must have built trust with these people for them to be able to be confident enough to buy from you. So that's another way a beginner can start to earn money online. Then the last one I want to talk about is doing micro tasks. Now, this is broad. There are different types of micro tasks you can do online, and you can do things like taking surveys, although it's not really so much of a thing right now. You can also do things like playing games. These two were so much of a big deal like 2 years ago, but right now, AI training jobs are the main thing. Like, there are a lot of platforms that are looking for people to come and do AI training to be able to help them train AI models, because companies are rolling out AI models every day, so they will always need people to come and train them for them to be able to do the work they're expected to do. So this is something you can start doing and make money. If you're my follower, you know that I have actually showed you proof of my payments. I have made some money doing AI trading jobs. So it's something that is realistic and it's working, but you have to know platforms that are going to pay you, platforms that are working. And I've created tons of videos you might want to check out and get started doing this job, and you receive your pay. Most times you don't really need to have much of an experience, and you just have to follow instruction. Another one is testing websites and app. I have made a lot of videos about them. Those are micro tasks that you can do, and there are lots of platforms. You can check out all these videos to learn how to get started. So if you're a total beginner, with every of my explanation, you must have had a clear path on which one to focus on, so you don't keep wasting your time watching videos or doing the same thing over and over without taking action. It's now left for you to take action. If you don't have any skill, learn a skill. I have partnered with ISDF, which is the #1 online design school where you can learn US UI design. This is basically you learning how to produce an app and website. You can even use AI these days, but you need the in-depth knowledge to know what exactly you're doing. So this platform will give you everything, because they have experts that are actually working in the industry that will teach you industry demands when it comes to this particular skill, and you can start earning a lot. They also have communities that can help you navigate your path once you're done, and there is also job boards that can actually help you. So you can easily do all of these from the comfort of your home. And if you're interested to get started, just check the link in the description of this video. And if you want to make any job application anytime soon, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that will help you from the process of looking for job to the process of applying for interview. So if you're interested, do well to grab one with the link in the description of this video. And I have gotten a lot of positive reviews from people that have used it, so you might want to check it out. And if you saw value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.